Ayan, hello everyone. Good morning, good morning. Today is December 1 and Sunday. So, magdi-day off tayo kasi nga may event yung Filipino community dito, ang PBCom. So, may music saya, ika-6 na nila, ika-6 years na nila tong celebration. So, a-attend tayo. Yes! And then guest, may artist guest sila. And then ito si Edgar D. Guzman or si EA. Siya yung Mr. Pogi, yes, na nanalo sa Itbulaga. Andito siya ngayon. Parang hinihingal ako kasi nga nagpa-practice ako sa opening number namin. Kasi, diba, sasali po tayo sa TikTok challenge, yes. This is it. Good luck to us, me and my sister. Yes, kami yung sasali ng TikTok challenge. 3 groups lang. Bahala na. Basta makasaya. Oh my God, nandito si EA. Oh my God. So, I'm so excited. Maaga po talaga ako nagising. Promise, so, diba? Pero at least naman, nakatulog naman tayo. Baga, yung tulog natin is 7 hours talaga. O, diba? Look great. Feeling fresh. Ganon. No? Sige. So, yun lang muna mga kayaters. Mag-video lang tayo mamaya, diba? With AA picture taking, ganon. And then, meet our old friends. So, diba? This is it. Thank you again. Happy Sunday, everyone. Happy 1st December. Happy December 1st. Basta. God bless. So, ayan. Hello, everyone. Okay, outfit check. Oh my God. May pakuha na tayo, pa-scarf. Ayan, sinuot ko yung earrings ko na gawa ko. And then my sunglass. Oh my God, oh my God. Okay, and then my boots. Ayan, so excited na. Okay, bye everyone. Excited na ako makita si AA. Okay, so andyan na yung mga gamit ko para sa dance competition, yung mga costumes ever. So, I think that's all. Thank you. So, ayan. Ang tawag nito, on the way na ako sa area kasi nga mag-con pa kami sa opening production. Practice pa daw. So, ayan. Nag-taxi na lang ako, hindi na ako nag-bus kasi diba pag mag-bus tapos maglalakad pa ako, diba? Mapagod pa yung pa ako. Char. Ayan, I'm almost there na. So, magkita-kita na naman. Oh my God, excited na nga ako kay galing pa ako kay Nanay Deli. Nagwan ako doon. Doon ako nag-breakfast. Tapos nag-TikTok. Nag-TikTok pa ako na isang beses. Para makita yung outfit natin. No? Diba? Marte lang. So, bye! So, andito na ako. Ayan. I'm here. Oh my God. Andito na si AA. So, this is this one. So, punta tayo sa taas. Okay, ayun. Oh my God. Ayan. So, eto na si AA. Andito na. Ayan. Sila ba yan? Hindi. So, akit tayo sa taas. Okay. Tapos, hindi ko alam tante. Oh my God. Alam mo yung okay. Ayan. So, let's go. Kasi yun na sabi nila, akyat daw tayo. And then, saan? Ayun. Kita ko na. Ayan. Oh my God. Look at this place. There they are. Hi po. Hi!
Later tayo mag-register mag-ano ka muna.
Ay.
TikTok practice ka, di ba?
Oo.
Taga-saan ka sa Pinas?
Davao na siya.
No!
Ay, nagani ko, Bisaya ning na.
Oh, Bisaya. Yeah, hi! Morning. Hello po. Oh, siya. Oh, okay, sige. Ganyan mo ako. Taga-kuan ko, taga-pagalian.
Sayaw, dali.
Uy! Hi! Morning! My God.
Ano kayo ka naabot?
Wala pa, unya pa to si May. Happy to, dili ka day off do. Mihilak, ganito siya. O, makagawa siya. Ako ang manghod.
Unsa man?
Ako,
Nag-video ka wala?
oh, nag-video. Nag-video ko.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, speaking fast, I can roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up.
Good morning, everybody. So this is it. So thank you for joining our TikTok challenge. Makikinig kayo sa akin?
Makikinig.
Andiyan na po.
Thank you for joining our TikTok challenge. So doon pa lang papasalamat na kami. So thank you for joining and attending our music saya. So malaking bagay ko para sa akin. So ngayon pa lang, ina-assure ko na sa inyo na lahat kayo winners na kasi tatlo lang kayo at lahat yan may pa-premyo. So ang lalapag... Hindi kami uwing. At least yes, hindi kayo uwing.
So bawi na yung ticket.
So ang paglalab, for sure, pangatlo man kayo, bawi na yung pinabayad ng ticket. Okay. Kasi ang premyo natin is 50 RMB.
49 lang. Ang galing.
200 na lang ang bila.
No, hindi po to about sa premium. About po to yun na makapag-perform
Ibig
kami.
sabihin, lang naman, I just want you to know na winners na kayo lang.
Okay.
So ang paglalabanan nyo na lang is yung, siyempre, friendly competition lang naman to, di ba? Ang paglalabanan nyo na lang is yung sino magiging una. Pero anyways, lahat kayo winners. So congratulations.
Yes!
Okay. Another thing is you have to remember that opening number kayo, so you will set the mood ng show. So just remember that. So I hope that you just have fun. Siyempre may pressure, okay na yan, but just have fun and give your best kasi kayo ang magsiset ng mood ng event natin.
Okay.
Yes, sure.
After opening number, anong oras po yung TikTok chat?
2:25. Sunod na yun. Sunod na yun.
Ay, susunod na yun?
Yes, so after...
Hindi pa eh.
Sabi niya kasi right away, so...
Hindi, hold on. I'll check that.
Hindi siya right away.
Check ko lang ulit. I just want to make sure. Ang puso, wait.
Parang may kwan pa yun, may sunod pa, tapos yun na.
No, walang, kasi wait, ito. Ang 2:20 kayo, meron kayong few minutes, 5 minutes to change. Yes, kasi after nyo, mag-ano tayo, sponsors tayo, and then raffle. So you have to...
Same as to. Abati natin.
Okay.
Actually, balik tayo sa ano. Tapos si Leigh Laxmi. Yan. So ganyan yung blocking natin sa Again Go Roos.
Okay.
Sayo. Tapos last part. Kahit ano man ang mangyari. More on na tayo. Parang
Style.
freestyle na. Parang nakikijay kayo sa kanta ko. Parang nakikiconnect na kayo. Ano man ang mangyari. Sa last part na to, hindi na ako sasabay. Kasi may ano na akong mga adlibs dito sa song. Ayun, ganun siya. So, sasabihin niya nga ang buong tapos energy. Yan, sa last chorus.
Ilang ulit yun?
Sa last
one.
Step
Mamaya, okay.
Kasunod,
Paano siya? Nakalimutan mo.
ay, ano, yung step kasi nito sa piece nila.
Sige, sa makita.
Wait, water break na tayo. 2 minutes.
Water break.